In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Grafana Slack notifications. It's super easy and straightforward to do, but make sure you pay close attention, ensure you get every step correct. So what I've actually done is I've gone ahead and signed in here, and I'm in my workspace here. So what we want to go and do is go to the left hand side, and you see there's these three dots here. It says open menu. So go ahead and click on that there. And then we want to go down to this section that says alerts and IRM. So we're going to go down to alerting. And then from there, we want to go down to notification policies. Once you're in notification policies, you see something here called default policy. And you want to go ahead and go to the three dots here and click edit on that. Now from here on this policy, what you want to do is go over to where it says create a contact point. And we're going to open up that tab there. So we're going to want to go ahead and call this something like Slack or Slack notification, something like that. Just put a name in there, it doesn't really matter. Next up here, we have the integration type. So for us, we're trying to find Slack. So basically just scroll down the list until you find Slack. It's right here like that. Now what you need to do from here is go ahead and put your webhook URL in there. And I have a different video on the channel about how to find your webhook URL if you want to find that. But basically paste in your webhook URL. And now you should be able to go ahead and click test, and it should send it through to your Slack. You can have a predefined message, or you can put a custom one in here. I'm just going to do predefined. Send notification, and it says test alert sent. Now you can see I've gone over here into my Slack, and you can see the webhook has fired from this, and it's working perfectly fine. So that's basically how you go about doing it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.